Okay, so second half of today's lesson was solving equation strategy part 1. So in this example, we're trying to solve for x. So looking at this example right here, what makes this example ugly is because there's fractions, and we don't like fractions. So there's one strategy that we're going to use is 1, find the lowest common denominator between what's given, and then 2, multiply it through. So in this case, the lowest common denominator between 4 and 3 is 12. So I'm going to multiply each one of my terms by 12. And then let's see what happens. 12 times 3x is 36x. Divided by 4, you get 9x. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 divided by 3, you get 8. 12 times 2, you get 24. So right here, just like that, you got rid of all the fractions and you're left with an equation that you're used to seeing. So 9x plus 8 equals 24. Move that 8 over, divide by 9. You get your answer x equals 16 over 9. Okay, so the only new step is this right here, where you find the lowest common denominator and multiply it through. Don't forget when you multiply every single term, even the right side. Okay, let's try the second example right here. So second example, a half minus x over 4 equals 1/4. Looking at my denominator here, 2 and 4, my lowest common denominator is 4. So I'm going to multiply everything by 4. Okay? 4 times 1 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 times x, 4x divided by 4 is negative x. And 4 times 1 divided by 4 is 1. When you move this over to the other side, you get negative x equals negative 1. Remember, negative x is the same as negative 1. So when you divide it, negative 1 divided by negative 1, you get positive 1. So x equals 1. Okay. Let's try 2 more examples. Example 3. I have a denominator here of 3, so I'll multiply everything by 3. So 78 times 3 divided by 3, you get 78. 15 times 3 is 45. X times 3 is 3x. Move that 45 over, and then divide by 3. X equals 11. Okay. It's a little noisy right now because I'm recording this over lunchtime because I'm re-recording this. So that's why it's a little noisy. Okay, last example. This right here, lowest common denominator between them is 15. So multiply everything by 15. X times 15 divided by 5 is 3x. X times 15 divided by 3 is 5x. Looking at this, remember these are like terms, so you can add them together. 3x plus 5x is 8x. So x is negative 15 over 8. Okay, so I broke today's lesson into 2 parts. Tomorrow we will do example 5 and 6 for homework. Are these 8 questions? Okay. The answer for number 1 is given just to make sure you guys are on the right track. We will take these ones up tomorrow. Pause the video now if you need to so that you can take a look at these 8 questions. It's not on Brightspace, so just do these questions on a separate piece of paper. Okay, and we'll take them up tomorrow. Thank you.